Two AI writing giants. One showdown for 2025. Copy AI versus Writesonic. Which one really delivers? On the left, Copy AI. Fast, creative content for every brand. And on the right, Writesonic. Flexible, SEO-ready writing at your fingertips. Let's skip the marketing hype and dig into what really matters. We'll score each category: pricing, quality, integrations, and more. So you get a clear winner point by point. And the final result might just surprise you. Okay, before we start slinging pros and cons, let's map out how we're going to break these down. We'll hit 5 main categories: pricing, content quality and types, integrations, usability, and language and reach. Picture a mind map, right? Each branch is one of these hot topics. And by the end, you'll have a clear idea which tool suits the way you work. First up, pricing. Now, Copy AI starts you off at a higher entry price, somewhere around $36 to $49 a month. And honestly, that free plan, it's tight. Just 2,000 words before they ask you to reach for your wallet. Yes, unlimited words once you pay, but the sticker shock's real if you're flying solo or just testing things out. Writesonic, though, this is where it gets interesting. It kicks off at around $12 to $16 a month. Way easier to swallow. Plus, the free plan is actually generous, 10,000 words. And the tiered plans mean you can kind of pick and choose whether you're a hobbyist or a content machine. Yeah, there's word limits at the lower levels, so it's not a full buffet, but overall, Writesonic's giving a lot more bang for your buck. So if you're watching your monthly bills, Writesonic sneaks ahead here. All right, let's talk content quality and types. Copy AI is a beast for short form stuff. Ads, punchy social posts, emails. It's got like 90 plus templates to choose from and can whip up quick snippets in over 95 languages. But when you go long form, things get messy. The structure, honestly, it needs TLC and maybe a whole edit session. Writesonic, though, shines with long form articles, even cranking out pieces over 3,000 words. And yeah, they hold together pretty well. Big win if you're running a blog or care about SEO, because the content comes out optimized. It's definitely a tad slower at those short tasks, but if quality and depth matter, Writesonic starts to look really appealing. So, yep, Writesonic takes the cake on content. Integrations. So, here's the thing. Copy.ai is what I'd call a standalone powerhouse. You get an API for custom stuff, but beyond that, no built-in SEO tools, no cool plugins, nada. It's fast, but you kind of have to do all the heavy lifting yourself. On the flip side, Writesonic, this one's like the overachiever in the class. Surfer SEO, Zapier, SEMrush, they're all in there. Plus, there's a built-in plagiarism checker and even grammar checking. Sweet, right? Sure, you have to pay more for a few of those perks, but you just can't beat the automation and connected workflow. Writesonic is definitely ahead when it comes to integrations. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Copy AI can seriously crank out headlines and content in more than 95 languages. Meanwhile, Writesonic quietly does SEO magic thanks to integrations with Surfer SEO. Talk about global meets strategic. Usability. So how does it actually feel to work with these platforms? Copy.ai has this super friendly interface and makes collaboration easy. You can automate simple workflows and pump out ideas fast. But, and it's a big but, it sometimes feels a little shallow on longer outputs, almost like it's designed for speed over substance. Writesonic's UI, really clean, no complaints, and everything's where you'd expect it. Oh, and did you know there's a mobile app? Handy for on-the-go edits. But, I'll be real, generating bigger content can lag a little. So it's kind of neck and neck here. Each has their moments. Let's just call this one a draw. And finally, language and reach. Copy AI totally flexes here. 95 plus languages. Yeah, really. Making it awesome for teams working across borders or just for anyone who wants their content global ready. It also does some cool brand voice personalization. Only thing, if you pick one of those rare languages, the AI might phone it in and give you something a little bland. Writesonic, on the other hand, still supports a good chunk. 25 plus languages, way ahead of the curve compared to most writing tools, but it's not quite the language buffet you get with Copy AI. So for international reach, Copy AI holds the crown. Picture this. Each category we just covered gets its own little spoke on a radar chart, showing off how much each platform shines, or doesn't. Writesonic's got strong scores for pricing, content types, and integrations, while Copy AI absolutely knocks it out of the park with languages. But hey, Usability is tight on both. So, after hashing it all out, here's my real verdict. If you care most about SEO, need longer form articles, or want a tool that integrates with every other app under the sun, Writesonic's your best bet. But if you want snappy, creative copy, and your team is reaching audiences in all corners of the world, Copy.ai is seriously hard to beat. It honestly depends on your own workflow, but Writesonic just edges out with its flexibility and those deep content features. Want me to break down more AI writing tools like this? Hit subscribe or follow or whatever you do in 2025, and I'll save you time and money next round. Stick with me for all the best tech comparisons.